In today's video, we will take out the fender for 2009 Toyota Camry. First, we will lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I am using a 4-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake, otherwise the car will fall apart. Now let's jump into the process. We will start off taking out the mudguard first, and for that we will need to turn the tire inside. Then using a Phillips screwdriver, take out the first screw. Take out the second screw. We will also take out the screw on top of the mudguard. It is a clip type screw, so I'll be needing a door upholstery remover to take the screw out. Behind the first screw of the mudguard, there is also a clip that also needs to be pulled out using a door upholstery remover. We will move ahead and take out another clip from top, which is part of the fender liner and the fender. Similar to that clip, there is also another clip right besides. In my case, this clip is already taken out. In your case, make sure to take out this clip as well. Here I'm just trying to push the fender liner against the fender as much as I can, but our main focus is to take out the mudguard, and this is the underneath screw that needs to be taken out in order to take out the mudguard. It's a 10mm screw, and I'll be using a gun with a 10mm nut setter to take that screw out, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nut setter. With that screw, mudguard is taken out. Behind the mudguard, there is a clip attached with the rocker panel. This clip was a little difficult to take out because normally older cars, their clips get stuck and you just have to run a battle to take them out properly. At the end, I had to use a pliers to push the broken pieces inside and out, and finally I was able to separate it from the fender liner. We did that to take out the impact absorber inside the fender. Seems like only half of it came out since this fender had an accident, so I had to push it a little outwards, and there you see the other part of impact absorber came out. Now we have to take out the rocker panel. Right where this is, underneath there is a clip. It looks like this, and this is what we need to take out. And similar from this side, there is also another clip that needs to be taken out. Once you take out those two clips, there's a third clip a little ahead. We will take that one out as well. Now we will open the door. Using a Phillips screwdriver, we will take out the screw in the middle. Screw is out. We will slightly pull down the rocker panel up until the middle halfway. We are not taking down the complete rocker panel, just taking it down to the point where we can have access to see that screw right there. It is a 10mm screw that needs to be taken out. Now on the top part of the fender from the door side, there is one 10mm screw that also needs to be taken out. It's a little tight spot, so in order to take it out, make sure you have an extension along with the nut setter. This side already had an accident, so we are not able to demonstrate on how to take out this side of the front bumper, but it's really simple. What you do is you take out this 10mm screw first, and then you take out either a screw or a clip here in the middle and something underneath, either a screw or a clip. Take out 1, 2, and 3 screw or clips, and then slightly pull out the bumper. You will reach a side right there, the bumper bracket side, and we will take the screws out from there. That's one 10mm screw. Once the bumper bracket is pulled out, notice there is one more 10mm screw behind the bracket that also needs to be taken out. Here I'm just trying to pull out the fender to make it a little straight. You do not have to do this step. Now we will jump onto the top part. Notice there is a rubber piece that needs to be pulled out, and behind there are some screws and clip. We will take out the clip first and move our way all the way to the top to take out another clip. And just finally pulling off the rubber piece completely. Once the rubber piece is taken out, now we will try to take out the screws. First screw will be from the headlight side, then take out the second screw right besides, followed by taking out the third one from the middle. Take out the fourth one, and the final screw towards the hood. Had a little tough time punching in the gun there because of tight spot. Good idea is to use a wrench. make sure you do separate the plastic piece from top of the fender. It has some tabs that needs to be pulled out, and there we were able to take out that plastic piece. Now we will slightly rock and roll the fender until it completely pops out. There, the fender has been completely taken down. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.